Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Voyage account, full guide. Click Sign Up, enter your email and password, confirm with code, and accept terms to create your account for immediate use. Next, complete profile details including name, date of birth, and contact number to secure access. Verify your identity with a photo ID and live selfie if prompted. Set up two-factor authentication for alerts and choose notification preferences. Start by verifying your email and phone to unlock full features on Voyage. Use a strong password with letters, digits, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Choose a clear username that matches your real name where possible to ease verification. Add a recovery email and enable biometrics if your device supports it. Review privacy settings, limit what others can see, and save changes before leaving the page. Quick recommendation: if you like clear financial thinking, consider the book Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth for solid money mindset ideas and practical tips. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more guides. I mention the book casually because sound money habits tie into planning trips and budgets when using Voyage. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Linking a payment method can unlock premium features and faster bookings. Add a credit or debit card, or connect PayPal where available, and confirm small verification charges. Review billing address and set a default card for one-click purchases. Manage subscriptions and account settings and cancel within the app if needed. Contact support via an app chat or email with screenshots for faster resolution, and keep your account details ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.